Well, welcome back to Life Journeys Productions. We're here in the studio, and I'm here to talk about this adapter. I've been waiting for it for quite a bit of time because it's from China. It's been a little difficult to get these products here in the United States, but it's the Canon mount adapter, the EF-EOS R adapter. And let me just flip screens here so you can take a look at that right there. And we're going to do a little bit of unboxing of this today, and I'm going to compare it to the adapter I have on my Canon EOS R, and this is the Viltrox mount. It's an adapter. It's called the EF-R2, and it actually has the ring on it, where this adapter is just simply the mount. So it takes my lenses or my EF lenses to make EOS R lenses, because obviously that's the new adapter. And so there you have it. That's the little adapter there, and we are going to unbox it. So thanks for joining me here. Let's take a look and see what's inside this box from Canon. Okay, well, so I have not opened this yet. So it did not have tape, believe it or not. So maybe they were such in a hurry to get things sent out. But you obviously have the warranty card that comes with everything you get from Canon, so you can go online and register every piece of equipment. So we will do that. Then you have the manual, which is in lots of different languages. And these are obviously huge, but it gives you the instructions here of how to put that on. Let's switch cameras here so you can see that. It's a big piece of instructions. And so let's set that aside. And let's just get the adapter out here of the box. So here we go. Let's pull this out. That's all that's in the box, is this big foam case. So we'll close this up and set this out in front of our little display right here. And let's find out what's in here. Open this up. And it's kind of in like a pouch. And you reach in here, you pull out another container. So we'll set this bubble wrap aside, open this. And then I'll give you a little close-up. It's in this nice little case right here. And pull it out. And here is the adapter. Now, what I've heard and watching reviews is these are pretty well built. And so you obviously, it's just the adapter. So it does not have any filters or anything out. They make one with the ring on it. They also make one with drop-in filters. So obviously the EOS R is a great camera and has some great features. Not only is it mirrorless, not only does it take Canon down a whole new road, and they made some improvements, and obviously now they've done off the charts improvement with the R5 and the R6, as well as the stripped down version of the EOS R, which you can get. But the bottom line is they came out with a new RF set of lenses. And obviously those lenses are very expensive, and now they have some less expensive non-L lenses, which are a little bit more affordable, but I like to invest in nice quality glass. And so I have all these lenses. I have L lenses on both these cameras. So you've got my 5D Mark IV, which is my A camera here that I'm looking into here. And then I have my B camera, which right now is my 5D Mark III. And those lenses fit just fine. But this new camera, which I decided to invest in after I heard all the scuttlebutt about the new two cameras, the Canon R5 and R6. Great cameras, don't get me wrong. I just thought it was a chance for me to dive in with the discount into an EOS R, go mirrorless, and then I needed some adapters. So I have two adapters. I've had the Viltrox EF-R2 for a while. It has the adjustable ring on it, and Canon also has an adjustable ring model. This is the EF to EOS R adapter, which allows me to use all of my lens, and that's what we are looking at today. But I do want to compare them. So let's start by just comparing them. They both come with lens covers. Switch cameras here. They come with lens covers. Viltrox has their own, and you can see it here. It's nice quality. It's got the nice ring adjustment, and but it does not have any rubber seal, so it's not waterproofing proof, but it is an amazing little adapter, and I absolutely love it. I have it set right now to adjust my ISO, and so if I was to pop it on my my EOS R. You do it by lining up the red dots with a red dot. So we'll pop this on here like this. Okay, now that we have it attached, let's open up the camera. And you can see, get into the focus plane here. You can watch right here. The ISO is going to go up and down as I adjust the ring. And again, that ring's right here, so that's a nice feature. Like I said, it does extend the length of the camera just a little bit. But the good news is I now have the ability to have one more way of adjusting. So I can adjust the shutter speed. I can adjust on these dials, including this dial, any setting that I need and be able to adjust it on the fly. And that's with the Viltrox adapter. Then if we turn the camera off, pull this off, same release as you would a lens. Now we'll pop on the Canon adapter, switch cameras, and so you would line up the adapter, and the red dot on this is right here, and you would line that with the red dot right here. So we line those up, and it's got a nice rubber seal, so it's sealing around here. Then we would pull this adapter off with the switch right here, take the Viltrox off, line up that red dot right here with the red dot right here on the Canon adapter. You should be able to see that. Line those up, turn it in, and now we don't have an adjustment ring. I just simply have my ring around here, which is just to get the lens on and off. This is the macro 100 mil lens. It's right there. It has image stabilization, and that is on right here. And autofocus is also on here. And then focus distance, because it's a macro lens, is right here. Now I can use this lens with the Viltrox or the Canon EF to EOS R adapter. And again, with the weather sealing, this would be my go-to camera if it's a bad day and it's raining outside. But in the studio, on the fly with my A or B camera, which this is going to be my B camera mainly. That way I can, and part of that's because if I shoot 4K, I have the crop, so I can get some extra length out of my longer lenses. So for close-ups, I'll just go B camera on this, because then I can get in really tight if I need to and shoot 4K. If I need to shoot wide, then obviously I would switch cameras and make my Canon 5D Mark IV, which also has a crop when you get into 4K. So it doesn't make a difference which camera you're using. They both have a crop. But the nice thing is this adapter lets me adjust whatever setting I want to. So if I want to change these dials and the settings on my EOS R to be something besides where they are set right now at shutter speed and aperture, and using the ring for ISO, or just going into the settings, the touchscreen, when I don't have this adapter and I now use the Canon, then I'll have to make those adjustments. They take a little bit longer. So I love the speed of this, but the fact that it's not water sealed, I could invest another $100 or $200 and get the Canon version of this. But I love the fact that there is a less expensive option, and I'll probably end up having 3 eventually and some RF lenses. But this group of lenses is too valuable to me right now to let go, so I'm gonna hang on to them. So that's a review of this Canon adapter. Comes in this nice soft case, the box, and you saw what's in it. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and this comparison with the EF mount and this Viltrox. And I hope that maybe teaches you which would be the best for you, or maybe you want both of them as well. Feel free to subscribe and ring the bell so you get the notifications of our upcoming videos. I plan on having another video up very shortly on the Manfrotto Autopole version 2. So you don't want to miss that. That streamlines some things in my studio, and we'll look at that here in the next video. So thanks for tuning in. That's Keith Bennett here at Life Journeys Production Studio, and I'll see you in the next video.